Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Checking the CCTV in the Philippines. It's already 7:02. I need to stand up in my bed for the breakfast, take a bath, and everything. Bye at the moment. Today is Saturday, 13th of July. Ayan lang everyone. Good morning. Breakfast tayo mga inday. Today is Saturday. It's already 8:35 in the morning. So, 8:38. No. It's 8:35.
Oh, where did it go? Oh, where is it?
Ayan, may background ako. Coffee tastes good. And my sandwich. May yung screen ng camera. May dirty. Di ba ako nakapagputol ng kuko? Ayan everyone, good morning. It's already 9:05. So, I'm going early kasi hindi ko hahanapin ko pa yung pupuntahan ko. May care group kami, dalawang session. Isang umaga, tanghali pala, and then isang hapon. So, medyo malayo sa akin. Alam ko na pagtrabaho na rin ako doon dati sa Wimbledon, pero since dito ako nakatira, parang long time ago na yun, so hahanapin ko pa, i-refresh ko ulit yung mind, and then tanong-tanong lang, tapos ayun. So, ayun, dito pa rin ako mag-train. Kaya napaka-importante dito na ikaw ay mayroong data outside ng bahay, dahil nga yung gantong mga lakad-lakad, yung ganyan ba. And then pag nasa bahay, okay, fine, naka-wifi ka, pero ayun, since ako ng bago, so ginawa ko ng unlimited lahat para walang nabubulo na naman ako, para walang problema. Yeah. So, ayun po, kahit nasa basement ka or nasa underground ka or whatever, nasa ilalim ka ng lupa, meron kang data, may signal, yung ganon. Hindi mo sasabihin na walang signal, maliban sa ibang train na na cut talaga yung line doon. Ayun, medyo malamig ngayon dahil wala pong araw, everyone. Kaya kailangan nating i-close ulit ang jacket. Tawid ako ng ito yung mga ganyan na yung mga sasakyan na nagmamadali. Walang pakialam, alam na tatawid ka sa alam na tatawid ka sa pedestrian. There, ano ba yan? Yung sinasabi na dun ganun yung sa traffic light. Hitting the lights. Huwag yung ganyan. Buti pa yung si Lolo. Pagkatawid ko, nag-thumbs up ako sa kanya. Nakangiti pa siya. Nag-nod. Na ganun. Kaya, yan yung mga nakaka-amaze na mga tao. Yung bang yung mga gesture nila. Yun lang everyone. At yung pastora ko pala nagpapabili. Chika ko na nagpapadaan nagpapabili nung yung langka, yung niluluto ko. Kasi dito, walang fresh na ganon. Everything is in can or in bottle, yung ganyan. Jackfruit, green jackfruit. So, wala ka namang makikitaan ng mga, may makikita ka so nabulo na naman ako. May makikitaan kang may mga tinda na ganon. Yung mga Bangladesh, mga oriental ang tinda nila. Oriental foods. Ayun lang everyone. Bye at the moment. Sa pilay-pilay kong lakad. Okay everyone, the train is coming. And that's it. Straight to Wimbledon. Different kinds of train now. Kasi po close ang Jubilee line. Ayan everyone, nakasakay na ako dito sa train going to Wimbledon. Meeting time 11, but now it's 10. Sorry, 10:26. We are in Elephant and Castle. More station, how many station? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more station and then 7 is Wimbledon. Ayun lang everyone. Bye at the moment. See you later sa Wimbledon. Success! We're here in Wimbledon. Good morning everyone. Yeah, Sister Betty, Sister Joy. May hintayin pa kami. Dalawa. Na? Antayin pa natin. Tatlo pa. We are here now. Waiting for them. At Wimbledon quarters. I thought I am in Philippines. Look. There is also here in Wimbledon the umbrellas. The umbrellas, yeah. We're going to sit inside to wait for my sisters. Boo boo. It's nice, oh. Yes, everyone. Ito pala yung first time ko dito talaga. Yung mall ng Wimbledon. Something like this. May Bindora, may Beauty. Mayroon din dun yung ayan, may tree. May EE, andito si EE. May Holland and Barrett, may Super Drug. Meron din silang Pandora. And meron din silang H&M, M&S. Ayan lang everyone. Ayan. From here to the train station, we take 193? 93, sorry. The bus is 93, then straight forward. And that's it. Going to Sister Sita's house. Huh? Wimbledon, yeah.
Tournament. Wimbledon tennis tournament. Famous.
Tournament?
The famous Wimbledon tennis.
Ah, yeah, that's why there is
That's why there's a lot of
Oh, okay. Hello everyone! Andito na po kami kay sister. Kay sister. But as usual, my Sister Sita's house.
We're not here to do house judging.
Mag-asawa sila lang dito. Keep myself away so you can use me. Keep myself away. Of my own, to you I belong. I give myself to you.
Bas na? Wow. Is it okay? It's nice.
Uy, diet si Siso. Dalawa lang wing.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to get one.
Meron
But to
din
bring
ano,
it in,
for shower.
you know, I did this pH meter in Spain from the top. It's 9.
Natapos na kami. Pupunta naman kami kay bahay ni Sister Jen. Ayan o. Dito kami o. Polka Theater. Sa tapat ng Polka Theater. First time here in Wimbledon. Ayun sis yung ano. Oo. Bus stop. Yeah. Dito. Ayan, 219 oh. Yeah. That is the one. 219. Everyone oh. Ang saya dito sa ano, pala. May ano kasi dito ng tennis. Ayan, ito yung Wimbledon Station. Dito kami, a lot of flowers are there. Punta kami ng ano, Clapham. Ayan. We're here. We're here, everyone. Ayan, everyone. Pauwi na kami. Papunta ng Clapham. Dito ako galing kanina umaga. Pero doon sa kabilang side, yun yung galing Cricklewood. Ayan, Thames Lines. Okay, we're going in. This is South Western Railway. And every This is my dinner for today. After the care group Bible study. I'm with them. My brethren. Good evening, everyone. It's already 8. Uh, 20:43. So 8, mga 8:45 na po dito. Yan, kakarating ko lang. Mag-tea lang ako, mag-tea. Ayan, pangpalaglag ng kinain. Busog, maraming nakain tina Sister Jen. Tapos, bukas, igising ng maaga kasi nga, first service kami. So, ayun lang. Gusto ko lang mag-good night. God bless. And I love you all. Bye.